Hey guys, it's Luke, your digital concierge here at Gramophone, and today we have an unboxing for you where you're doing the Tune 225 TWS by JBL. The 225 TWS allows you to enjoy your music easily on the go without ever being held back by wires. For more on other JBL products, be sure to check it out on our channel. Alright guys, now we'll get into our unboxing, but before we get into the box, let's take a look at the outside of the box. So on the front here, you can see this has got the usual JBL packaging that we really like. Nice and colorful and well detailed, and you can see these are the Tune 225 TWS. Zero cables, pure bass. I imagine these are going to be pretty good for you bass heads out there. Take a look at the side, we got a little bit of connectivity information and some details about a certain mono and stereo feature I'll talk about later. And then if you take a look at the back, we got a little window taking a look at our charging case, a little bit more on the details about that. And of course, the good old JBL Dare to Listen. Let's get into this thing. Alright guys, and just for an overview of what comes in your box, obviously of course you get your case and your buds themselves, your USB-C cable, and all your literature such as a quick start guide, instructions, and warranty information. Alright guys, getting into the specs and features of the 225 TWS buds. These are good for a 5-hour battery life with an additional 25 stored in the case. They have a frequency range of 20 to 20, so basically perfect. The drivers are 12 millimeters, which is a great size for a bud. They're going to provide great bass, just like JBL says that they are, so you bass heads, you're going to want this one. And a really cool feature of these buds is something JBL calls dual connect, which means that you can use both of them in stereo or just one of them in mono, whether it's a right or left. And that also lends itself to great call functionality, as you can leave one ear free because you have microphone built into each of these. Alright guys, now we'll talk about the design aspect of the JBL 225 TWS. The first being that this is a very nice hard shell case with an angular design that makes it very smooth to fit into any kind of pocket. No rough edges to catch on anything. The earbuds themselves are also that same design language. They're smooth, rounded, and ergonomic. And these are also available in 3 different colors. I've got the black here today, but you can get them in white, and you can also get them in a nice cool blue. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the bud itself. These have a nice rounded angular shape, and something that I really like about them that I think was a cool design choice is that you have this charcoal black here, but then on the actual round part of the bud, it goes to more of like a graphite sheen or kind of gunmetal even. I think that's a nice touch. And the other thing I really like about these, it might be kind of hard to see, but there is a button right here, and that is your multifunction button that does all kinds of things. Play and pause, answer and decline calls. That's your primary point of control, and that's all it is. Simple and easy. Really like that. And when you look at these, you can just see how it's got that near perfect teardrop shape to the bud. It's going to fit into your ear really comfortably. Alright guys, now we'll talk about the compatibility for the 225 TWS, and this is short and simple. Bluetooth 5, the best connectivity, the best wireless audio transmission quality, and the best range. What more could you want? Also, this works with Siri and with Google Assistant for truly hands-free operation. Solid. All for under $100, the 225 TWS are a great option for anyone who's looking for a truly wireless earbud focused on comfort and great bass response, all for a good value. You can purchase these great earbuds online 24/7 at skybygramophone.com, where you can check out securely and receive fast and free shipping right to your door. Also be sure to stop by one of our showroom locations either in Timonium, Columbia, or Gaithersburg, Maryland, or stop by our Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. Whether you're looking for project ideas, need to schedule a service request, or would like to speak with one of our hi-fi, home theater, or interior design experts, get inspired at gramophone.com. Also, if you have any questions for me, ask at gramophone.com. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and drop a comment down below, and make sure you are subscribed to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. But don't forget guys, we want to hear from you. What do you think of the 225 TWS, and what do you want to see from me in the future? As always, thank you so much for watching. be seeing you.